Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Darya-Ariela, and in today's video we're gonna do a pop art zombie. Today's video I'm gonna do the makeup on me, but on Friday there's gonna be a second part. It's gonna be a partner look for Halloween. I'm gonna do it on my boyfriend. Let's dive right into it. Today I'm gonna use my palettes from Grimace, and I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. First I'm gonna take a pencil. It's not a pencil, it's a brush. It's a small brush. Normally you use it for painting. First I'm gonna outline on my forehead the area. I wanna draw here a brain. Just like so. And I'm also gonna outline an area here on my mouth. And I'm also gonna draw myself a mouth. And this part I'm gonna fill in with this fuchsia color. So for now it is good. And then I'm gonna outline here underneath my eye. And I'm also gonna draw here on my eyelid. Now let's take a blue shade. I'm taking kind of like a baby bluish shade. And then I'm just gonna apply it on my face. Don't forget your ears. Now I need to switch to a smaller brush. So inside my mouth I'm gonna draw pink. It's supposed to be the gum. Then I need a white. Then I'm gonna take a brush like this and a white shade, and with this brush I'm gonna paint my teeth. Just like this. This is a super easy way to draw teeth, just with a brush like this. Then I'm gonna take a small painting brush and my Grimace palette, and then I'm gonna use a violet shade and just draw between the teeth. And then I just take a black eyeliner and then I'm gonna draw around my teeth. Then inside the teeth I'm gonna draw some dots. Now I take my Morphe X Jeffree Star palette and the blending brush, and then I'm gonna go inside a violet shade, this one called Mogul, and then I'm just gonna shade out here. And then with a small pencil brush I'm gonna go find a black shade and then make my gum here black to shade it out. I'm gonna go into the same purple I used, and then I'm gonna apply it on my eye. And with the pencil brush I'm gonna go inside the black, apply it on my eye and blend it out. And with the purple I'm just gonna blend out. Then I take this purple shade and I'm gonna do the contouring. I also gonna add some black for the depth. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. Then with a black eyeliner, I'm just gonna draw here a line. And with a black, I'm just gonna give it a depth. Like so. Now I'm gonna draw here some lines. This you can do just random where you think you have wrinkle. Then with the purple shade, I'm gonna go here underneath my eye to give it a depth. And then I'm gonna apply black on my lid. And blend it out with purple. Now with my black eyeliner, I'm gonna outline the lip. And then I'm just gonna draw a few lines inside my lip. Like so. And then I'm just gonna apply the black shade here. Now I just outlined my brain. Then I'm gonna take the purple shade and put here some shades. To give it some dimension. And now let's draw a brain. I'm just gonna draw some lines. I'm also gonna apply some dots. Then I need a small brush and my white, and then we're gonna put some highlights. And then with the black eyeliner, I'm gonna put some black dots. And I totally forgot about my nose. You can do any shape you want. Now let's do our eyebrows. I'm gonna use a white paint. So while my eyebrows are drying, I'm gonna take a red shade and draw myself a wound. Just like so. I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm gonna outline it with black eyeliner. With a small brush, I'm gonna give it a bit of dimension. Okay, my eyebrows are now dry. Let's fill them in with violet shade. Now I'm waiting for my eyebrows to dry. Then I'm just gonna apply the blue to the rest of my neck. So now let's draw here some bones. I don't want to go more down. And then I'm just gonna outline here. And then I need to fill it in with black. Then with the white I'm just gonna fill in my bones. Now I'm gonna take a big brush and apply black to the rest of my body. Okay, and that's it guys. This is my pop-up zombie makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. If so, let me know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.